Deadlines looming, tasks multiplying, and communication channels overflowing with emails. If you manage projects or run a business, this feeling is probably all too familiar. That's where project management tools come in, promising to streamline workflows, boost productivity, and finally tame the project management beast. One such popular tool is ClickUp. With its all-in-one approach, boasting features like tasks, lists, docs, chat, and goals, ClickUp has become a favorite amongst freelancers, agencies, and even large enterprises. But with so much buzz surrounding the platform, a burning question arises. Just how many users have flocked to ClickUp's project management haven? While ClickUp doesn't publicly disclose their exact user count, we can delve into some clues and industry trends to make an educated guess. Here's what we do know. Rapid growth trajectory. ClickUp has seen explosive growth in recent years. Founded in 2017, the platform surpassed the 100,000 user mark in just 2 years. By 2021, they reached a staggering 1 million users, showcasing a remarkable growth curve. Industry reports suggest this momentum hasn't slowed down, placing ClickUp firmly amongst the leading project management contenders. Funding frenzy. Investors see promise in ClickUp too. The company has secured multiple funding rounds, with the latest in 2021 raking in a cool $100 million. This kind of financial backing indicates investor confidence in ClickUp's ability to scale and attract a massive user base. Market positioning. ClickUp positions itself as a competitor to project management giants like Asana and Trello. These established platforms boast user bases in the millions. Considering ClickUp's impressive growth and feature-rich offering, it's safe to assume they've captured a significant chunk of the market share. Social proof and community. ClickUp fosters a vibrant online community. Their social media channels are buzzing with positive user reviews and project management tips. This strong social proof further suggests a substantial and engaged user base. Freelancer favorite. ClickUp seems to have carved a niche amongst freelancers. With its flexible pricing plans and ability to manage multiple projects seamlessly, it's become a go-to tool for solopreneurs and small teams. This dedicated user segment likely contributes a sizable portion of ClickUp's total users. The big but, while the evidence points towards a substantial user base, the exact number remains a mystery. ClickUp keeps its user count close to the vest, making it difficult to pinpoint a definitive figure. Educated guess. So, after piecing together the growth trajectory, funding rounds, market position, and strong community, what can we say about ClickUp's user base? Here's a safe bet. ClickUp likely boasts millions of users. While the exact figure remains undisclosed, the platform has undoubtedly established itself as a major player in the project management arena. What this means for you? A large user base signifies a few things. Firstly, it indicates trust and a proven track record. Millions of users wouldn't be flocking to ClickUp if it wasn't delivering on its project management promises. Secondly, a large user base translates to a wealth of resources. With so many users, online communities and forums are brimming with helpful tips and troubleshooting solutions. ClickUp may not officially reveal its user count, but the available evidence paints a clear picture. The platform is home to millions of users successfully managing their projects and boosting their productivity. So, if you're searching for a robust project management tool with a thriving community, ClickUp is definitely a platform worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.